traffic lights in Japan, unlike other developed countries, it might be low quality? This is the most standard type of traffic lights in Japan. It's a pre-timed traffic light running by fixed time control, which is widely used in suburban and rural areas. The minor street got a green light for both vehicles and pedestrians. Right now, we're counting the green time. Pedestrian green light is now flashing. Vehicle light is changing to yellow and red. The major street light changed to green, and cars are now starting to move. Pedestrian green light is now flashing. Vehicle light is changing to yellow and red, though there's no traffic on the minor street. The minor street got a green light, and now there's a car coming. And just like the previous phase, the green time was 10 seconds for pedestrian and 16 seconds for the motors. Okay, let's get more closer. As you can see, there is no buttons or other detectors. And this type is the fixed time traffic light, which is most common in Japan. It is just running by timer, so it is not considering the traffic volume, which I think is inefficient. Here is another example. It uses vehicle sensor, and when a car comes to the stop line, the main street turns to yellow and red. The minor street changed to green, both for cars and pedestrians. We're now counting the green time. This type is called semi-actuated traffic signal. Pedestrian is now flashing, and it was 12 seconds, and 20 seconds for cars. Now the main street gets a green light. This type of traffic light is similar to what you have in North America or some parts of Europe or Australia or other developed nations. The main street will have green, and the minor street remains red forever until someone comes to the stop line. There's no one coming, so that light will not change for a while, I think. And this type is not most common, but still has about 10% of all traffic lights in suburban and rural areas. And 2 cars going by, and there's another one coming. But still green for the minor street. "30 seconds green, just like the previous phase." The point of this traffic light is that when the minor street gets a green light, the time on green is fixed. They are not counting the traffic. In this case, even if there was only 1 car on the minor street, the green time is still 20 seconds. Or even if there was 20 or 30 cars, green time is also 20 seconds. Let's get closer to the intersection. This is a microwave detector for cars, and there is also a push button and a sign, It says press this button if the light doesn't change to green. And another sign, if you are waiting for more than 1 minute, then press the button below. So unlike other countries, there's no loop detectors under the street. Actually, loop detectors are not used in Japan. Only microwave detectors, one up there, or video detectors are available for the traffic detection in Japan. Pedestrian signals work together with the vehicle signals. So if a car comes, these push buttons will also be activated even if there was no pedestrians, which I think is not quite efficient. So this was about common traffic lights in Japan, and thank you for watching, and I would like to see you in the next video.